Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we do reading practice in a fun way. So, get started. B. I am a bee. I have 4 wings. I like flowers. I can make honey. Now it's your time to repeat with me. I am a bee. I am a bee. I have 4 wings. I have 4 wings. I like flowers. I like flowers. I can make honey. I can make honey. Very good. Cow. I am a cow. I eat grass. I have 2 horns. I live in farm. Now repeat with me. I am a cow. I am a cow. I eat grass. I eat grass. I have 2 horns. I have 2 horns. I live in farm. I live in farm. Tree. I am a tree. I have many branches. I like sun. I can make fruit. Now repeat with me. I am a tree. I am a tree. I have many branches. I have many branches. I like sun. I like sun. I can make fruits. I can make fruits. Crab. I am a crab. I eat plants. I have a thick shell. I have big claws. Now repeat with me. I am a crab. I am a crab. I eat plant. I eat plant. I have a thick shell. I have a thick shell. I have big claws. I have big claws. hen. He is dead. That is a hen. The hen is red. That is a red hen. Now it's time to repeat it with me. He is dead. That is a hen. The hen is red. That is a red hen. Perfect. Dog. He is Tom. Tom is a dog. The dog is small. Tom is a small dog. Now repeat with me. He is Tom. Tom is a dog. The dog is small. Tom is a small dog. Cat. A cat. Pat is a cat. A fat cat. Pat is a fat cat. Now repeat with me. A cat. Pat is a cat. A fat cat. Pat is a fat cat. Perfect. Mango. My name is Mango. I'm the king of fruit. I have a big heartbeat inside. I'm rich in vitamin C. Now just repeat with me. My name is Mango. I'm the king of fruit. I have a big heartbeat inside. I'm rich in vitamin C. Very good. Goat. I am a goat. I like to jump. I can climb trees. I live in a shade. It's your time to repeat. I am a goat. I like to jump. I can climb trees. I live in a shade. Fox. A fox. This is a fox. This is Tom's fox. Tom has a fox. Now repeat with me. A fox. This is a fox. This is Tom's fox. Tom has a fox. Ant. I am an ant. I have a large head. I am very strong. I can walk fast. Now just repeat with me. I am an ant. I have a large head. I am very strong. I can walk fast. Perfect. Elephant. I am an elephant. I am big. I have 2 ears. I have 4 legs. Just repeat with me now. I am an elephant. I am big. I have 2 ears. I have 4 legs. Horse. I am a horse. I eat hay. I have long legs. I live in a field. Now just repeat with me. I am a horse. I eat hay. I have long legs. I live in a field. Fish. I am a fish. I live in sea. I love to swim. I can swim fast. Just repeat with me. I am a fish. I live in sea. I love to swim. I can swim fast. Lion. I am a lion. I have a long tail. I can run fast. I hunt at night. Just repeat with me. I am a lion. I have a long tail. I can run fast. I hunt at night. If you like my video, then you can press the like button. If you like my video, you can like, share and subscribe my channel. Follow for more.